So welcome to AOS Outdoor Kitchens. In today's video, we are up in Barnet, which is north of London, and I'm going to be talking you through this Nolita outdoor kitchen that we have just installed. So for this kitchen, the customer wanted a modular kitchen and he wanted it in an L shape. He wanted the Napoleon 665 barbecue and a Gozney pizza oven. So we went back and forth with a few ideas and we decided in the end to go for a Nolita kitchen. So the Nolita kitchens are aluminium kitchens. They come in a variety of different colors. But what he also wanted to do was clad the outside of it with like a rustic timber look. So he wanted usable modular cabinets, but still retain the sort of the rustic look of the garden, because you can see there's lots of trees everywhere. It's a beautiful garden, by the way. If you look behind you, you've got the patio there with the seating over there. You've got the nice dining table. The lawn goes around there. The whole garden is completely surrounded with beautiful colors of trees, and it's autumn at the minute, so it's really, really blooming. So we went back and forth with a few designs. Laszlo, our head designer, he did some 3D renderings of it. We went through a few different colors and things, but in the end, the customer decided on a black color, which actually matches the guttering, the windows, the downpipes and everything on the house. And this kitchen, it's a real mix of contemporary actually and the rustic feels. The scaffold boards on the outside and the contemporary finish on the inside. For the worktops on this is Dekton Strato. So Dekton is a really good product for outside. It's a man-made product. Great with the heat, great with the cold, scratch resistant, really, really good for outside. So let's look at the kitchen. Starting on this end here, we've got the Gozney Dome in the off black color. So this is a hybrid between gas and wood. This will take about 15-20 minutes to get to heat and then about 90 seconds to cook a pizza. Underneath that, you've got a double cupboard there. So this is a 1200 wide unit with plenty of space in there for keeping pizza peels, wood, anything you want in there. To the right hand side of that, we've got this Casa fridge. So this is an outdoor fridge. You've got the socket behind there. Coming around the corner here, you've got another 1200 unit. So much space for keeping all of your accessories. And you can see behind actually, he's got the big green egg there. That comes with lots of accessories, you know, cast iron plates and grills and things like that. So that's perfect for keeping those in there. Coming along to here, unfortunately we're missing a couple of doors. We're just waiting for those to arrive. And then this is the Napoleon 665 Prestige Pro gas barbecue. So this is a 7-burner barbecue. It's got 5 main burners. You've got the infrared back burner, and then you've got the burner for your smoker tray there. So there you go, another kitchen installed. So this kitchen took about a day to install, so they don't take long at all, modular kitchens. If you are looking for an outdoor kitchen, if you're looking for ideas or inspiration, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We try and release these videos at least once a week to give you ideas and help if you're looking for one. We also have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have TikTok, so head over there if you're looking for up to date. We try and post on there 2-3 times a week. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.